Every time. I was waiting on it to happen. The Southern Pine Outdoors Classic. Cast high with limbs overhanging straight into the tree.
I got a line behind you back there. I don't want it to get caught in that motor.
Yeah, the last time we got it caught in the motor. Fishing line.
It wasn't we, it was me.
He said, my line snapped. I look and I hear something flapping against the motor. I pull the motor up and there's a bunch of fishing line in it. I had to pull it to get John's worm.
Hey man.
Where's that line at before I cut it again?
Stop bringing my helmet down here.
Yeah.
Hard hat.
Safety glasses.
Yep.
Grant, I don't see our little juicers over there. They must have gotten big and moved on.
Oh, I guarantee you they're here somewhere. I only did 3 wells this week because it rained 2 days.
You little turd. No. Got him.
Flying fish.
Something like that.
What is that? Oh, woo! Look at him. Look at, all right, don't get in a hurry. He's hungry.
Hungry.
Tore that worm up.
I saw that worm flying up in the air and I was like, oh lordy, he gonna let it go.
The fish blinked. Quit torturing him. He's over here torturing the fish, Grant. Here, no, here.
It's in that hard part of his mouth.
In that palate.
Yeah.
Oh man, you got to wiggle and work. Work and wiggle. Wiggle and work. They had to give it to Dr. Grant.
There we go.
There it goes. All right.
It's not about the size of your worm, it's how you wiggle your worm.
Because we love our worm.
That's right.
I don't know what this blink detected means. Maybe it's somewhere in the sun.
Little small guy.
As John Boy always says, bye big guy.
That's right.
You got the net.
Yeah. Small guy.
Oh, you good? I got mine on. What's John Boy always say? Bye, big guy. Right on the back side of that buoy. I thought I was hung in grass at first. I think I was, and then I yanked it a little bit. And he started swimming with it. felt it go tap, and I pulled, and it had pressure on it, and I felt tap, 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 and it
You know what? I got grass on that thing right there.
I got grass on mine too.
General.
Nah, you're the general.
I'm the general.
Just John Boy. He finally decided to come join us.
I was telling Brian, he didn't notice it. Remember when we came last, that spillway had nothing but algae on it? Now there ain't none on it.
Man, that's like a river flowing across the thing. Y'all catch anything?
Caught one.
Really? Oh gosh. Ooh, y'all already put my stuff in here. I gotta, alright, hold on, wait a minute, I'm gonna be sitting here, so watch it. Just move that.
We got it.
I'll get in. Wow, I'm in.
Okay.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. I'm good.
I'll go to the honey hole.
What, the back?
We got 2 honey holes this year.
Man!
Well, I just caught one right out there.
Did you get a picture of it?
Yeah, and I got it on camera.
Oh, okay.
Just so you know.
I don't want none of my fish, camera. I don't want none of my fish.
You see where this camera's pointing, don't you?
I don't care. You can turn it off. I told you my fish do not want to be photographed. It may absolutely gorgeous if it just wind quit blowing. Yeah, I can tell a lot of rain.
Then the sun come out and the wind started blowing.
Look how green Wayne's yard got, man. Wow.
It took off, didn't it?
You want to get past this little lily pad thing? Oh, John Boy's getting in the zone.
Oh yeah.
That'll get him.
Caught the bell, John. It'll go out. Oh God.
Abort mission. Abort mission.
Oh, that's a good cast. He fell out of the tree. Told you. The combat frog. Like me, it went drunk going at Fort Benning.
Got him. Look at that little turd. Foul hook.
Oh man, that's a penalty. That's a penalty
What
there.
is wrong with you?
Hey,
I can't even drop it on my head. That needs to be Instagram there.
here, let me get a picture.
He's mad too. I'd be mad too.
Stop it!
I got stuck in the side.
Turn around here. Let me see.
Turn
Oh
around.
God.
I'm trying to get him out first.
Hold him up.
He won't stop spinning.
He's gonna put them hooks in you.
I know it. Stop it!
Man, that's gruesome. Sunk it into the barb in the side.
Foul hook don't play. That treble hook don't play on that foul hook, son. They don't come out.
Brutal. Like we're gonna have to. Oh God! Don't kill him.
Bye, big guy.
See, he's mad.
He mad as a hornet.
He is.
Old wet hen, man. It's old wet hen.
Brian Matthews put me in the side. Better call the FBI.
I want to go try one more spot with a frog.
Yeah, and then we'll get out of here. I think you're all right. I think it's going to start raining in a minute. Tally ho.
We need to get up now, ain't
Nah.
I'm like, Brian, I want somebody to catch one of those frogs. Going right over there in that corner.
Straight ahead.
Not a whole lot. We're doing okay. We caught 4 or 5. They're all small too. Yeah. Missed a few. Do what now? Yeah. Now, a couple of weeks ago we were catching some bigger ones, so I have seen some better times out of this lake. You know how it goes. We're trying to move on. It looks like on the radar, good little storm's getting ready to hit. Yeah.